Microsoft has finally acknowledged that one of the most useful features in classic Outlook is broken. If your quick steps are suddenly grayed out, you're not alone. In this video, I'll explain what caused the issue, which Outlook version is affected, and the best workarounds you can use right now. Quick Steps is a powerful Outlook feature that lets you automate repetitive tasks with a single click. You can move emails, mark them as read, forward messages, add categories, or clear flags. Many users rely on Quick Steps to manage their inbox more efficiently. Microsoft says the issue affects Outlook for Microsoft 365 version 2512, build 19530.20138. After installing this update, some Quick Steps may become disabled or appear grayed out. This usually happens when a quick step includes actions like clearing categories or flags, and the selected email does not contain those items. For example, if your quick step moves an email and clears categories, Outlook may disable the entire quick step if the email has no categories assigned. Microsoft is currently investigating the issue. In the meantime, the company recommends assigning a keyboard shortcut to the affected quick step. To do this, go to the Home tab, click Manage Quick Steps, select your quick step, choose Edit and assign a shortcut key. If that doesn't work, you can roll back Outlook to version 2511, build 19426.20218, or temporarily use Outlook on the web or the new Outlook app. To stop Outlook from reinstalling the problematic update, go to File, Office Account, Update Options, and select Disable Updates. So, if your Outlook quick steps are grayed out, don't worry. Microsoft has confirmed the bug and provided temporary workarounds until a permanent fix is released. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Outlook and Windows tips. Thanks for watching.